Hello kids, this video is specially for first standard kids and more than that. These are the routine words which can we use in day-to-day life. Again, always, about, another, and, any, after, as, all, am, are, another, away, ask, and, around, at. Big, blue, back, bin, but, by, big, black, brown, every, each, even. Call, can, come, could, child, children, cat, cow, camel, crown. Check, child, chin. These are the job words. Do, did, does, don't, down, done, duck, doll, drum. Far, find, from, far, first. Thank you, kids. For more updates, come tomorrow.